Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's update, I'm going to update you about Indian Railways. 20 pairs of clone trains to be run from September 21st, that is today. The advance reservation period for these trains will be 10 days and the booking will open at 8 am on September 19th, said the railways. The Indian Railways announced on Tuesday to run 20 pairs of clone trains from September 21st. Most of these trains will be to and from Bihar, while the tickets for 19 pairs of these trains will be priced at the rates of Hamzafar Express. The clone trains between Lucknow and Delhi will be at par with the Janashatabdi Express rates. The advance reservation period for these trains will be 10 days and the booking will open at 8 am on September 19th, said the railways. These trains will run in addition to the 310 special trains already in service, and their stoppages will be limited to operational halt or the divisional headquarters en route. Railway Board Chairman V.K. Yadav had recently said that the national transporter will operate clone trains on the routes that have a long waiting list so that the passengers will such tickets can travel. These clone trains will run ahead of the actual train so that the passenger do not face any problem in traveling. On Tuesday, the railway said that these trains will be operating on notified timings and will be fully reserved services. While the 19 pairs of Hamzafar Express trains will be of 18 coaches, the Lucknow to Delhi train will have 22 coaches according to the list of trains being run by the railways. 10 trains, 5 pairs will operate between Bihar and Delhi under the East Central Railways. These trains will originate and terminate in Bihar's Sahasra, Rajendra Nagar, Rajgir, Darbhanga and Muzaffarpur. The two trains operating under the Northeast Frontier Railways are also from Bihar. Katia to Delhi and back. The Northern Railways will also run 10 trains, 5 pairs, which will operate between Delhi and Bihar and back. West Bengal to Delhi, Punjab to West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh to Delhi, among others. The Western Railways will run 10 trains, 5 pairs between Bihar, Darbhanga to Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Delhi to Gujarat, Bihar, Chapra to Gujarat, Surat, Mumbai to Punjab, Gujarat, Ahmedabad to Bihar, that is Patna. These trains will run in addition to the 310 special trains already in service, and their stoppages will be limited to operational halt or the divisional headquarters en route. The South Central Railway will operate two trains between Danapur, Bihar to Secunderabad, Telangana and back. The Southwest Railways will operate 6 trains, 3 pairs between Goa and Delhi, Karnataka to Bihar, and Karnataka to Delhi. The suggestion of state governments may also be considered while restricting the halts, the national transporter said. Have a safe journey with certain cautions instructions. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you with my next interesting updates.